Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can share access to your Facebook page with another person, as well as how you can accept invitation from another person to a Facebook page management. Let's start with sharing Facebook page access first. I will show it on a desktop, but it's pretty much the same on a mobile. You would want to make sure that you have already switched to your preferred Facebook page. You can do that by clicking at the top right corner on your profile picture and then switch to a Facebook page, or if you are already on your Facebook page, on the left side of the screen click on switch. Once you are on the page, let's click again in the top right corner and let's hit settings and privacy, then click settings again. On the left side of the screen click new pages experience, and here is where you can manage accesses. Let's click on add new, then hit next, and let's search for the person you want to share access with. Then click on it, allow this person to have full control, and then click on give access. That's it, the invitation has been sent and the person has 1 month to accept it. But we are going to accept it now. I'm switching to the account I shared access with. I will reload the page to see if there is any new notifications. There it is, I was invited to manage the page. Let's just click on that notification, and once you're on page you will see that there is an invite review. Let's hit that. Let's click next and then click finally accept. And just like that, I've shared admin access to our Facebook page. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.